Viewers, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I shall be explaining how to connect additional contactor in order to enhance the load of day-night light sensor switch, which is for 400 watts. If you wish to increase the load, how you can connect the additional contactor along with this day-night sensor switch, I shall explain it to you. Firstly, this is the day-night light sensor switch. Comes in the packing box, and inside of the box there are two wall plugs and screws for fixing it on the wall, and this is the water resistant day-night sensor switch. Independently, this sensor switch can take a light load up to 400 watts for normal lights. In case of LED lights, then it will be approximately 40 watts load, because there are drivers in LED lights. They consume approximately 70 to 80, even up to 90% of the continuous current load. So for continuous current load, it can bear up to 400 watts, and for LEDs, you can put the load up to 40 watts. So now moving ahead, you the connections of this day-night sensor switch with the contactor. There are two wires at the back of this cabinet. One is input, 220 volt input supply, only 5 ampere is good enough. And the output wire, this output wire will also produce 220 volt. When there is a darkness, you will find the 220 volt supply in this wire there, and there is a brightness, the light is brightened, then supply will be cut off. So this wire has to be either connected with the lights, or in case you wish to enhance the load of the lights, you can connect the AC contactor along with this. This is the normal day-night sensor switch, and this is the input wire, and this wire is the output wire, which can be connected with the contactor's AC coil. I will remind you that this contactor is 220 volt input supply for coil, and these are the three phases which can be connected in these 3 points. There are 3-pole contactor, and from the other side you can connect the lights, each light with the each phase, and this is the neutral. Of course, you can connect the neutral directly also by bypassing this contactor. When there is a darkness, you turn on the 3-phase light, and when the light brightens up, it will cut off the light. This contactor is for 40 amperes. If you have 3 separate buildings or 3 separate lines, so you can connect these 3 phases accordingly. Now, in case you want to use it for single phase, all you have to do is to remove these 2 phases and join these 3 contacts with each other, and same way from the output 3 contacts will be connected with each other, and give one supply and take the one supply from the other side, single phase, and the output is also will remain the single phase. In this case, in case it is 10 ampere contactor, and if you join each contact with each other, the load capacity will be accordingly 3 times approximately. So you can utilize in both the cases. This light sensor is also compatible with 40 amperes, 32 amperes, even 18 amperes contactor. The connection diagram will remain the same. I'll show you the connections. These are the coil connections, and output wire, which can be extended also. You can connect with these 2 connections. This is the coil of this contactor, and I'm showing you the connections for single phase. You can join each contact with either both sides, and this is the input from where the phase can be given, and from this side you can connect the lights, and accordingly it will switch on and off according to the variation in ambient. So this is the single phase connection, and this what I've just shown you is for 3-phase connections. So this is how you can utilize this day-night light sensor switch in order to enhance the contact load for connecting lights, 3-phase and single phase. If you wish to know more about the gadget, check up the link for website and any query. Link is also available for email ID and a telephone number. Shortly, I am also going to introduce new models of water level controllers manufactured by Me-TECH Innovations Mohali. So stay tuned for all those videos. Thank you for watching.